The AMD Ryzen 9600X and 7840HS are high-performance processors often used in compact mini PCs. Here are some of the features typically found in such a system. 1. Processor. AMD Ryzen 9600HS/7840HS. 2. Memory, 2x DDR5 slots for RAM, supporting high-speed memory. 3. Storage, 2x M.2 SSD slots, likely supporting PCIe 4.0 for fast data transfer rates. 4. Operating system, Windows 11. 5. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 6 for fast wireless internet. Bluetooth 5.0 for connecting peripherals. Type-C USB 4.0 for fast data transfer and device connectivity. 6. Video output, supports 8K resolution output. This setup is ideal for high-performance computing tasks, gaming, or use as a versatile home office or media center PC. The device fully justifies the price. The set included Windows 11 Home, but no reactivation was needed when installing Pro. Memory on Hynix chips, according to the markings. NVMe disk, but uses only 2 lines. There is a Type-C connector on the bottom, but in fact it is SATA. There is no controller in the stand. This is just a connector format like this. I removed the Velcro from the radiator so that the dust does not collect. SSD warms up quite a lot from below, but the processor itself is cold.